The definition of agent is broad and kind of evolving. And so you get things that look like virtual employees where they like behave and take actions without people instructing them. Or you get stuff that maybe is just connected to more interesting data than a regular chat experience. Maybe it's like curated a certain way, so you could give a chat experience to a junior team member and not have to give them a bunch of instructions. Like maybe it's got prompts built directly into it, so it's like a chat that's kind of branded and kind of personalized. So there's kind of a whole spectrum. One of them was a product naming and copywriting agent. So you would give it some information about, it's for a beauty brand. You give it some product information about the product that you had in mind. And it would, using examples of previous copy that we'd written for the brand, it would brainstorm a bunch of product names, it would write a bunch of copy, it'd pitch those back to you as a user. So the agent then goes and checks the trademark availability of these different terms, comes back, and then it recommends like, okay, here are the 2 or 3 ideas that I think we should pursue.